How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about the best settings for your SteelSeries AeroX 5 mouse. So the first thing that you want to do is to grab yourself the official application, which is the SteelSeries GG. From here, click on the engine option and you will be able to look for your mouse. Now, it will look something like this. Unfortunately, I'm having troubles connecting with my mouse with the SteelSeries application, but after opening up your mouse, it will then look something like this. So this is really simple. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply edit out your CPI setting. It's going to be this specific button right here, allowing you to change your CPI with different levels. Now, of course, this will depend on the user itself, but generally most people use 800 CPI, 1200, 1600, 2400, and you could add whatever you want to. Just click on the plus button right here. The first thing that you want to do is to try 800 CPI first, because most professional users use that specific CPI. From there, if it's too slow, you can maybe use something like 1200, so on and so forth. Now, if you need some detailed explanation about different CPI or DPI setting, we have the low one, medium, and high DPI right here. You could just pause the video and read this short description. For the next one, I suggest turning off the high efficiency mode. Basically, with this one, it will disable some mouse features that will allow the battery to basically prolong a little bit longer. So you want to turn this off in order to use your mouse to its full potential. For the polling rate, you just want to set this to 1000 polling rate. And for the last one, if you want to simply tweak the acceleration and deceleration, you could just navigate through this specific option. But take note that this will actually mess with your sensitivity, but this is completely optional. The most important thing right here is to properly set your DPI, turn off the high efficiency mode, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.